Hey everybody, today I have 90 seconds or less to teach you one of my favorite sliding push-up variations, the star. No gym required, just a pair of socks, so let's jump right in. So we'll start today with the half star first. To perform a half star, you'll be doing a normal push-up with your upper body, but your legs will be opening as wide as you can as you descend down on each rep. Keep your legs straight the entire time, and as always, try to keep your jaw and neck as relaxed as possible throughout the entire movement. If that half star feels too challenging, you can build up to it by doing the same movement with your legs, but only going halfway down in the push-up. Then you can increase that depth as you get stronger and more comfortable with the movement. If, on the other hand, you'd like to increase the challenge, you can go into a full star. For this one, you'll need something slippery under your hands as well. I use these sliding discs, and I'll put a link to them in the description below. But you can also use a t-shirt or a dish towel under your hands. The full star is like a half star, but now, on your way down, you'll slide your arms apart as wide as you can as well, and then squeeze your inner pecs to bring the hands together on the way up. All right, we made it. If you're excited to try out this new push-up, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and then go do some push-ups. This is Posnick Training. We'll see you soon. In the description below. But you can also use a t-shirt or something slippery under your hands as well. You'll need something slippery under your hands. I use these sliding discs, and I'll put them in the link.